And he said unto me, My grace is sufficient for thee, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. Most gladly, therefore, will I rather glory in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me. Therefore I take pleasure in infirmities, in reproaches, in necessities, in persecutions, in distresses for Christ's sake. For when I'm weak, then I'm strong. Are you going through a warm time? Maybe you're mourning the loss of someone, or maybe you're just going through your storms right now. Keep holding on to the Lord. Suffering for the Lord's glory, it's worth it. This lesson is taken from 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verses 9 through 2. You can read the rest in your spare time.